Hello, this is my YouTube presentation on the environmental effects of cloth diapers and disposable diapers. The first thing that we will be looking at is cloth or disposable, which is better for the environment. Some of my key points will be what they're made of, the effects on people, the health, safety, and cost towards people. And then the effects on the environment, again comparing disposable versus cloth. First, I have a couple of props with me. I have a Huggies brand size 4 disposable diaper, and I have a medium-sized G-Pants reusable diaper in orange. First, we're going to start with the disposables. As you can see, if you look past the design, it has a exterior lining that is actually made up of a flexible cloth-like plastic. And then on the inside, as you can see, it is all white and somewhat fluffy and soft. This is the absorbent inner layer of the diaper. Inside this layer of the diaper, it is made up of several chemicals. Just to list, some are dioxins, sodium polyacrylate, toluene, xylene, ethylbenzene, and dipentene. There are also, if you, smell your diapers before you use them, there's also dyes and fragrances involved with this. Next, we're going to look at the G-Pants G-Diaper design, again in orange. Now the outside is made up of a microfleece cotton mixture. And so what you do is you just pull the tabs apart, which are made out of Velcro, and then on the inside we just have a lining here that snaps out. And then on the inside, it is also made up of microfleece and cellulose. And then the liners, I don't have a liner specifically with me right now, but those would be made up of sodium polyacrylate if you use the disposable ones. Otherwise, they do have a cotton lining, which is made out of hemp and cotton mixture, that is also reusable, rewashable, all that. That would just go inside the lining here. Now, for the effects on people, as we discussed earlier, the disposable diaper is made out of chemicals. First up is xylene, which causes dry skin and dermatitis. Toluene. Toluene is a chemical that you see often in gasoline and fuel. It is toxic to the organs and could result in any kind of organ cancer. Dioxins are another cancer-causing agent. And when they're not causing cancer, they're also aiding in serious health problems that people could have if exposed to dioxins long term, which the average child spends about an hour in a diaper, and I would consider that long term. They also cause diaper rash if left wet on a child's bottom for an extended period of time. So again, back to that hour, if it's an hour plus, then it is possible to get diaper rash. Cloth. Cloth can also cause diaper rash because pretty much any time that your skin is going to come in contact with consistent wetness, it will cause diaper rash. So there really isn't any escape for diaper rash, except for changing as frequently as you can and applying cream if necessary. The other benefit for cloth is that it would cost about $381 depending on the brand and based on your needs and your wants in a reusable diaper. It would cost $381 from birth to potty training. Total cost. So for like 3 years, $381 on diapers. Now going back to the disposable diaper, it would cost people on average from birth to potty training $2,577, again depending on the brand that meets your needs and your wants. Now onto the environmental effects. The environmental effects of a disposable diaper is that it takes 3.4 gallons of oil to make a disposable diaper. A year to make disposable diapers. Disposable diapers, when left in a landfill, are known to release methane gas, which is a greenhouse gas and very detrimental to the earth. I did not know this, but disposable diapers approximately take 500 years to decompose. The EPA estimates about 250 to 500 years to decompose. It also causes groundwater contamination from all the chemicals that are inside the superabsorbent layer. Now the cloth diaper only has one environmental effect that is still somewhat questionable. Water usage. Every time that you have to wash these diapers, are you increasing your water usage? Is that causing detrimental effects to the environment? It's questionable. Most people nowadays have energy efficient washers and dryers, so some would say it only costs them $3 extra a month to wash their diapers, and some might say otherwise. So that really is a matter of opinion, I think. During the course of my presentation, we have looked at the pros and cons of cloth versus disposable diapers. It was discovered that cloth is better for the environment and does not necessarily have to require the exclusion of convenience for parents. My thoughts on the cloth diapers were not changed during my research, but rather amplified my feelings about them. I was not aware of all the chemicals present in disposables, nor was I aware of how long it took for each disposable diaper to biodegrade over time. I was really pleased to find that there were so many options for parents as far as reusable diapers. G diapers just happen to be my favorite because they are hybrid, which means that you can either use a disposable lining, which you can compost, throw away, or flush, or you can insert a cloth lining into the diaper, which I thought was great because parents sometimes need that convenience when traveling around with their children. So that is my presentation on cloth versus disposable diapers. Thank you and have a great rest of the semester.